Mountain with Joshua and me and our recorder Matthew. Friday, December 30th, 2022. And I'll see you when we're there.
Let's go, guys. This trail is a little more advanced than yesterday's. Conditions are more extreme. Colder, heavy fog getting in here. Let's see, we're the only people here on this segment of the Appalachian Trail. I'd say this is a intermediate trail here, going relatively steep up. Trail's flattened out now a little bit. You guys warm up a little bit? Yeah. We're decided to turn around on this one. Not for nothing. It's a little bit a lot foggy, and part of the main rewards of this trail would be the views, and we're not going to get to see those, so I don't think I want to have Zachary and Joshua just go up this pretty intense trail with no payoff at the end for them. It is nice out here, though. This trail is definitely very secluded. We're on a stretch of the Appalachian Trail here, and they're doing good. It's been steep. Only seen one other hiker out here. I think I've seen what was bear tracks.
Yeah, I did all that.
A little bit of a clearing here in the...
Why did you do that? I think it was by accident. A shelf? Like for your wall shelf?
Yeah, you know, like the shelves that you just screw in, they don't have anything holding them.
Nice.
Well, you got to tell them what you wanted it for.
You alright?
We just left the last trail, segment of the Appalachian Trail we were on, and now we're heading to what they call Duke's Creek Falls. That is in the outside of Helen. Dense fog. Try and spin this around here so you see. This is definitely dense. Fog was clear where we were at on the way down, so I was kind of wondering, should we really leave? But it seems like I think it was just a brief pause of the fog. So here we are, continuing on. All right, we'll check back in at the waterfall height. already one called trail called Duke's Creek Falls.
Daddy, can I?
Yeah.
Could I?
Let's walk a little more, then you can have another snack. Yeah, eats his way through the forest here.
Hooray and hurrah! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! I see! It looks like you were just like backed over, you know?
Made it back from Duke's Falls. A little bit dark on us, but we did make it. Overall, great trail. About a half hour, an hour total. So until next time, signing out.
Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or anything you want us to do or any trails. Bye.